Drone technology has quickly evolved from a futuristic concept to a real-world tool used across industries like logistics, defense, agriculture, healthcare, entertainment, and more. With over 1 million commercial and recreational drones registered in the U.S., the demand for reliability, stability, and safety has never been higher. That's where interface comes in. Our force measurement solutions play a critical role in both drone design and real-time performance monitoring. Drone manufacturers rely on interface load cells and miniature force sensors to test thrust, balance, motor torque, and payload capacity. Whether it's a drone delivering a package, surveying farmland, or performing in a synchronized aerial light show, precise measurement ensures safe and accurate operation. Interface's wireless sensors and digital instrumentation are especially valuable for flight testing because they eliminate unnecessary wiring and allow for true-to-environment performance evaluation. And when off-the-shelf isn't enough, our engineers collaborate directly with drone OEMs to develop custom sensor solutions. From takeoff to landing, Interface helps ensure drones fly smarter, safer, and with greater precision.